Hello, how are you doing today? So today we'll be talking about a very interesting animal, and this animal will be a very interesting topic, and I hope you like the topic about this animal. And this animal is an animal which has been over the past few years and also many years since 2010, also way before even 2010 has been shocking people, and also people have been looking for a way to learn about this animal even more. And this animal, there was another instance where in 2010 they used this animal to predict the future and also the outcome of a particular game match. I don't know if you remember this. It was around 2010 when the World Cup was happening. So the animal was used to predict the outcome of a particular and the final match of the World Cup between Spain and I don't know which other country. Where this particular animal, there were two boxes which were arranged. One box was the flag of that particular country of Spain, and the other box was a particular flag of the opponent which Spain was playing against. So we see that this animal was able to land on the particular flag of Spain and also the box of Spain. And also this also it was like a foreseen of the prediction of the match which will happen later on, where we see that Spain was able to win. And this animal got it correct about what happened to that match. And this animal, I don't know, it was called something octopus. And it was just an octopus. So today we'll be talking about an octopus and how the octopus is a nice animal and also an intelligent animal. Although it is not very social like the other animals, today we'll be learning about what has brought about this animal to be so intelligent, when the other scientists realize that animals' intelligence is also brought about by the social being. When an animal is more social, its intelligence is more perceived, and also the intelligence markup goes even more higher. So unlike the octopus is a very solo animal, it walks alone. So the scientists have been wondering why this animal which is walking alone gets to have its intelligence like the animals which are not are social and also live in a clan, because being in a clan leads to more intelligence, so that the type of clans to be made up and also to have a farm stick up to one farm, one clan, and also to even grow larger the clan. This depends on the intelligence of the animal. Like the cat's family, the intelligence is more because they are able to socialize with other cats, and they are able to give out orders and also perceive orders for themselves. This makes them be more intelligent and being more able to live in a particular certain type of group and hierarchy for a long period of time. And by this, the animals are able to grow even into their intelligence so that they can have a stronger community. And also this is seen in the human beings, where human beings are more intelligent because they live in a community and they're able to problem solve and also uh, ask questions and also perceive and also able to plan on what the questions are to be answered and how the activities are to be. And this is one of the things which is seen also in human beings and also is more similar into octopus, is the behavior of planning, where octopus can be able to carry a coconut shell wherever it goes, and this coconut shell can be used to cover up the octopus wherever it goes in case it needs shelter. There are some places in the sea where the octopus cannot get any type of rocks where to hide it from. So what the octopus does is to carry a coconut shell and is able to travel with this coconut shell over its head for some distances, just in case it finds no place to hide. And also this prevents it from being eaten by other predators. Because one thing with the octopus, it has no bones or anything. It is an invertebrate. And being an invertebrates are known to have no backbone. And these are the animals like snails. These are some types of the invertebrates and are known not to be so clever. But the vertebrates are particular formed by reptiles and also human beings, the animals which have bones and have backbones. These are the vertebrates, and also fish also are vertebrates. But the octopus doesn't have any vertebrate, and also doesn't have a backbone, but is able to be intelligent. This question and also its form has also puzzled many scientists because of how the octopus works and and its intelligence. Because for the animals who have intelligence, one requirement is for you to have a backbone, but the octopus lacks in this. So octopus, one of the main familiar and also puzzling things is the way it is able to plan ahead of what's for the oncoming future events that will come. And this is very similar to what human beings does in planning. If a human being knows tomorrow there will be rain, it carries a umbrella. The same way the human being does is the same way, similarly to what the octopus does. And for an animal to do such type of things, they are considered intelligence, and these are some of the things which shock even more and also shock human beings even more. So the octopus, one of its main feature is it doesn't have any bones in its body, and this not having any bones in its body, it helps the octopus be able to maneuver many different places, be it any type of place, be it a hollow tube or a rocky place. The octopus can be able to maneuver inside it and can be able to forego this particular course. And this is aided by its flexible body, where there's no any bone in its body. So as long as the eyes pass the particular place, then the whole octopus is guaranteed to pass through that particular obstacle, because the eyes are the most determinant thing in a octopus. And if a octopus, it has large eyes, and if those eyes are able to maneuver in a particular tube, then the body, be it how big the body it is, it will be able to maneuver to the other part and also extend to the other part. And also one thing also with the octopus has something called neurons, and neurons is the same which are found in the human brain. But the octopus is much different, because most of its neuron is not found in its brain. The most of its neurons are found in the octopus hands. And the neurons being found in the octopus hands, the scientists are able to discover that each hand of the octopus lives independently, alone with it's not controlled by the brain of the octopus. So a hand of the octopus can control itself, and also even one hand being cut, the other hands can also independently work without even the use of this one hand. And also if that one hand is cut, the one hand can also live for a particular type of time, like 1 hour or even more than 1 hour, before it eventually dies, because it has its own body. It can be moving even although it has been cut. So these hands have the independent brain. It is like other different brains which give out information and take it back to the main brain which the octopus has. And the main brain consists of a third of the neurons. The rest of the neurons, the 2/3, are on the rest of the part of the octopus. So the octopus being able to maneuver and also be able to look for food by each of its hands, working independently. This is some of the things which makes the octopus intelligent, because it is like having more workers in one particular body, having many twins in just one particular body, because these twins will give feedback to the main octopus and the main brain of the octopus. So this is one of the things which makes also the octopus very known for its intelligence, because these hands help the octopus perceive information. And one thing about the octopus and the hands can be able to see colors. One thing that the people say, and also scientists say, that the octopus is basically half blind. It cannot see colors very well. And one of the animals which has the fastest camouflage is the octopus. The octopus has a camouflage faster than any type of animal, leave alone chameleon or any type of animal. The octopus has the fastest camouflage which can be seen, and it happens in a millisecond of a time. Even the time which you take to blink, it is slower than the time which the octopus can take to camouflage, unlike the time which the chameleon takes. A chameleon can take almost 20 seconds to camouflage a particular object. And this is caused by, in a chameleon, the hormones are the ones which are used to pass this particular message to the other part of the body. And hormones take a little time to go into the rest of the bloodstream and also give this information. So the time which the hormones take to go into that particular body of the chameleon is around 20 seconds over there. That's why the hormones and also the chameleon takes much longer time to camouflage its environment than the octopus. Octopus is just a milliseconds, and this is mainly because an octopus, the whole body is just like neurons. The whole body of an octopus, it's just like its brain. Everywhere in the body of the octopus has neurons, and neurons are just basically found in the brain of a human being. Neurons are only found in the brain, but in an octopus, be it on the hands, they are also found there. So the information is sent even more faster than it is like a human brain. It is even sent faster. That's why when I say the time which you take to blink of an eye is much slower to what the octopus takes to change its color according to its environment. And this happens when the octopus sees any type of danger and wants to camouflage in its particular environment. And one thing about the octopus skin, it has like 4 layers, and these 4 layers are used to camouflage. The first layer has 2 particular colors, and if the octopus wants to change that particular color, what it does, it is just like small bubbles where the octopus is able to fill up the particular bubble with more air, which makes it to swell up and be able to be more visible than the other bubble. So that particular color is more visible than the other color. And after that layer, there are other more 3 layers, which these 3 layers are able to be used to also put color which the octopus intends. And one thing about the octopus, as I said earlier before, the octopus cannot see. So what the thing that helps the octopus to see is the hands and also the neurons on the hands, which are able to perceive the color which is on the particular ground and also the surroundings. And we can basically say and also perceive that the octopus also sees with its the hands of the octopus can be able to see. So because the time which the octopus takes to change, it is very fast, unlike when somebody is able to see, and it is very accurate. It is the accurate type of camouflage you can ever see. Unlike the chameleon, there is some type of colors which you cannot see, but the octopus has the direct and also the precise colors which you can be able to see of the surroundings. The octopus is able to take this particular color, unlike other animals. That's why it makes the octopus more deadly as it hides from its predators, the ones that are preying on the octopus. And this is one of the things which the scientists say, that the octopus has evolved in its intelligence because of its ability to hide from its predators. And this ability to hide has made it to become more have more camouflage and more intelligent, unlike the other animals where intelligence depends on the social dominance of that particular group. So if the animal is more social, it's the more intelligence. But to the octopus, if the octopus has evolved for being intelligent because it's hiding from its predators. And one thing they say about the octopus was once having a shell, but through the evolution of the octopus, it has been able to evolve and also leave out its shell, which it usually had millions of years even ago. And by this losing of its shell, the octopus has had to evolve even more to be more intelligent, because the shell was protecting the octopus from being seen and also from being attacked by its predators. So the octopus had to look for new ways like camouflage and also being able to grow more intelligent on looking at the environment, because sometimes the octopus on its body it forms also bumps which depicts the current environment. If it is in rocks, the octopus is able to form bumps which makes the octopus looks like the environment rocks which it lives in. So this is the nice story of the octopus and how the octopus lives. And I hope you like this video, and I say please come back next time to watch more videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Till we meet next time. Thank you so much.